Hi friends, myself Shruti Singh. I'm from Mumbai. I'm come here to meet Prithvi sir, Sita Academy for my visa approval for study visa. I have a 10 years gap of my study. This is possible only for the Sita. 8 December 2022, I'm going to fly for my study in Spain. I want to give you some advice for you, all my friends, loving ones, whoever they're having their dreams to achieve their goals, to give the wings to their dreams. I have lot of agents. I connected lot of peoples to pursue my career for other agency, but all agents are like fraud to me. But the Sita, it's really genuine ones. They clear my every documents without English test, nothing. And my document, every document, I don't know was a document required, but they clear my every documents, which I'm sitting on Mumbai and they are from Delhi, and they did for me the superb job, like they are a hero for me. And really I suggest you come and join and take inquire about your career with the Sita, especially for Prithvi sir. Thank you. मी तुम्हा सर्वांना एक मेसेज द्यायची इच्छा ठेवत आहे. खरोखर जेवढे पण माझे मराठी लोक आहेत, ज्यांना कोणाला फॉरेनसाठी ट्राय करायचं आहे, ते सर्व पुन्हा एकदा या सीटामध्ये दिल्लीमध्ये आहे. मी सरांचा नंबर तुम्हाला देऊ शकते आणि तुम्ही येऊन तुम्ही याचा अनुभव घेऊ शकता. थँक्यू.